thanks for testing our app. So you need to connect with the info we sent you. Now you're in. You can go to AI Manager. Once you go to AI Manager, you can start. You can go to Instagram and you can connect. So this one is with private message. This one is without. Then you do next, and we're going to select this account. We're going to connect it, and we're going to click here on link up, then next. Now what we're going to do is create a campaign. We're going to use the classic no AI option. And now I can publish the campaign. So now we're going to do two things. First, we're going to go to the inbox. That's where the messages will appear, and we can answer them manually if we want at some point. So I'm going to create a post on this account. So a nice picture of Athens. I'm going to switch accounts in order to comment on that post. Okay, so now I see the post and I write, cool. What happens is we receive a message here, cool, and we see the public response and private response being sent. We can see it here, and the private message, private response is being sent here. So it can appear in request here, but since I've already done a few tests, I moved it to primary. So what's important is if you do not want to, you connected and you want to delete your campaign, and let's have another post, okay, with Berlin, for example. I'm gonna switch account again in order to comment. I'm gonna write a comment. So there is no automation. It still appears in the inbox. Great. And I'm going to answer from the inbox. And if I go to my messages, I receive the great message. That's it. I hope you can get the access right for Instagram managed messages with that, and see you soon.